Hey guys, my name's Henry. This is me and my mom. We're gonna be making Koko Alaisa today. Your ingredients are 3 cups of rice that we've already got in here. 1 can of bebe. 1 block of cocoa and leaves. Once the rice is boiling, you start stirring it and cooking it to your liking. Some people like their rice mushy, but we like our rice firm cooked. Once you've done that, you get 1 cup of sugar and add it to the rice.
Make sure you turn off the oven before you put in the coconut cream.
So good. That's it for today. That's how you make Koko Alaisa in our household. But yeah, everyone stay safe during this pandemic, and yeah, much love. Bye.